Hey there, fellow 3D enthusiasts. Welcome back to 3D, where we dive deep into the world of digital art. And today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the powerful realm of Blender modifiers. First things first, what are modifiers? In Blender, modifiers are like peanut butter and jelly. They are powerful tools that enable you to make things faster and better. One of the fundamental modifiers is the subdivision surface modifier. It's fantastic for making smoothie from your models. Joke about Blender and smoothie. Haha, okay, let's continue. The subdivision surface modifier is used to add smoothness and detail to your models. It divides each face of your model by 4 and can be applied in 2 algorithms, Catmull-Clark, based on the aesthetic appearance of the resulting surfaces, and Simple, which is a straightforward mathematical division. Additionally, you can control the sharpness of edges by using creases. Next up, we have the array modifier. This one is a game changer for creating duplicates and patterns. Whether you're building a cityscape or a repeating pattern, the array modifier has got you covered. You can control the fit type, the number of copies, and the offset. Now let's talk about the Boolean modifier. It's perfect for creating complex shapes by combining simpler ones. The Boolean modifier offers 3 main operations. Union combines the selected objects into a single mesh. Difference subtracts the geometry of the second object from the first. Intersect keeps only the overlapping geometry of the 2 objects. The bevel modifier in Blender is a tool that adds a beveled edge to the geometry of an object. This modifier is useful for adding a realistic and polished look to models, as well as enhancing the interaction of light with the surfaces. Once the bevel modifier is added, you'll find various settings to control the bevel effect. Key parameters include: width adjusts the width of the bevel. Segments controls the number of segments in the bevel, affecting the smoothness of the transition. Profile alters the shape of the bevel. The Solidify modifier in Blender is a versatile tool that adds thickness to the geometry of a 3D model. This can be particularly useful for giving depth to flat surfaces, creating 3D printable objects, or adding volume to thin structures. The primary setting in the Solidify modifier is thickness. This controls how much additional volume is added to the object. The even thickness checkbox ensures that the added thickness is distributed evenly across the entire surface, regardless of the original geometry. This can be useful to maintain a consistent appearance. Similar to the bevel modifier, the Solidify modifier has an edge crease option. This allows you to control the sharpness of the edges by adjusting the crease factor. The mirror modifier in Blender is a powerful tool that allows you to create symmetrical models by mirroring 1/2 of an object across a specified axis. This is particularly useful for modeling characters, creatures, and objects with bilateral symmetry. Choose the axis along which you want to mirror the object. Common choices are the X, Y, or Z axis. The mirrored half will be created on the opposite side of the chosen axis. The clipping option ensures that vertices on the mirror plane are merged together, preventing gaps or overlaps at the center. Enabling clipping is recommended in most cases. The merge limit value determines how close vertices need to be to the mirror plane before they are automatically merged. This helps prevent unintended merging of vertices that are part of different parts of the model. The bisect option allows you to cut away half of the mesh, leaving only the mirrored parts. This is useful when you want to model only one side of the object and have the other side generated automatically. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some key Blender modifiers. Remember, experimenting with these tools is the key to mastering them. So go ahead, open Blender and start playing around with modifiers to unlock a new dimension of creativity in your 3D projects. And if you want to save some time, you can use our pre-built assets. Just access our website at 3D.design or visit our Gumroad page. All the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video and want to see part 2 about modifiers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Blender tutorials. And last but not least, don't forget to drink your smoothie.